Abisala, everything right now is currently going through hell, and I'm really mad at the world right now. So here today we will do a one shot, one makeup challenge. So we have here our makeup kits here. So we have here a kind of 10 layers or 7. So we have here a one whole glass of water. Yes, instead of beer, we will have water because this is more healthier than the typical beer. And we have here a shot glass. Yes. Okay. So we'll start with the first one. So let's start it first. I'm actually really thirsty right now. I've controlled my thirst earlier. Here is the first product from Pink Blush. This is a lasting matte foundation. Okay, so first we will have to put some pieces of here. Oh yes, that's it. That's a lot. And then so, dito ilalagay natin ang ating foundation. Hindi ko na sinabi kasi hindi nyo rin naman maririnig. So, ganito lang paglagay ko. Wala kasi akong sponge kaya ginanyan ko na lang guys. Pasensyahan nyo na. Tapos, tingnan lang natin kung saan naabot ang foundation na to at gaano katagal ito hanggang sa maabot ako sa finish line. Ganito, habang ginagawa ko yan guys, naaway ako ng kapatid ko, hindi lang halata. Kaya, ayun. One eternity later. Okay, so we're done with our foundation. As you can see, it lightened my skin now. It's a really quick dry foundation, so it's not that good in quality. Okay, now that was for our first layer. We'll have to do another shot again. Here. This is a lot, but yes. Okay. So of course, the next thing we will do is the the curler. Because for me, I believe curler is essential for our daily. So, ayun na nga. Usually, matagal ako mag-curler kasi napaka sumusukol talaga yung pilik mata ko. Kaya hindi ko talaga siya magawa ng tama. Kaya paulit-ulit ko siyang kino-curl. Sana naman ay maintindihan nyo kung bakit hindi na ako nagsasalita sa mga panahon yan kasi dun ko na iniisip kung bakit pa talaga ako nabuhay sa mundong ito kung hindi lang naman talaga ganun yung ewan ko anong pinagsasabi ko basta yun na yun. This is only for memories. Goodbye. Okay, so we're done with our lashes. So of course we will get another one again. Yes, and now we will have to use this. This is a mascara from Unita. Ayun na nga, sisimulan na natin ng mascara. Time-lapse ko na lang to para matapos kagad kasi napakahaba niya. 1 minute talaga. So during my eyeliner process, it's really hard for me to do it kasi hindi talaga ako expert sa pagme-makeup kaya hindi ko talaga siya mapantay. Ewan ko na lang talaga kung paano ko pinantay ang mundo sa ibang mundo. Tingnan niyo na lamang kung paano ko to ginawa. Yung mga simasagi sa isipan ko during this time. Paano na ito kung hindi pantay? Paano sa kabila? Ewan. During my brush period, guys, na-awkward talaga ako. Hindi talaga ako nagsalita dyan kasi nandyan yung lolo ko at yung kapatid ng tito ko. At ayaw ko talagang magsalita kasi napaka-weird naman kung magsasalita pa ako, diba? So, hinayaan ko na lang na tadhana na magpasya kung para sa'yo ba talaga ako or hindi. So, ayun, tatapusin muna natin. Medyo dumilim, guys, kasi akala ko makikita nyo yung blush pag diniliman ko. Pero hindi pala. So, ibalik natin sa hayag. So, ayun na. So, ngayon dito ko na-realize na dapat inuna ko pala yung eyeshadow bago ang mascara tsaka curler. Ngayon tuloy, nahulihan na, nahihirapan talaga ako i-blend sila, guys. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung ganito lang ako, hindi talaga ako marunong mag-makeup. Ito talaga yung iniisip ko at this moment kung bakit hindi ko to inuna kung mag-eyeshadow lang din pala talaga ako. Ewan na. Basta. Oh, ang ganda, di ba? Wala naman din kayong nakikita basta yun na yun. Tingnan nyo ilong kong napakasisiga. Tingnan nyo na lang to. So, ito, ginamit ko yung loose powder from Pink Flush. Hindi ko talaga alam paano gamitin to, kung i-bubo ba siya sa sudlanan niya or what. Kasi hindi ko talaga siya ginagamit. And it's a pay na hindi ko talaga nasulit. Kasi sira kasi yung nasa blue na says lady na powder. Kaya wala akong magawa. Kaya ito na lang. So, ay ito yun. Okay, so far okay naman siya. It turned out pretty well. So, ayan, maganda ako, diba? Tingnan nyo pa sa salamin. So, ganda ako, diba? One eternity later. The tuwing naglalagay ako ng red lipstick is ginalagyan ko talaga sa baba at sa taas para pinapauga ko. Kaya, yun. Hindi kasi siya stable kaya ko siya mini-mix and this happened because of that thing. Oh my gosh. And ang tagal nito bago pa maubos ang lipstick. Sa tagal kong magpa-dry ng lips ko. Ewan ko ba kung ano iniisip ko sa sandaling ito. Basta iniisip ko na lang kung mahal pa ba talaga ako ni Lord kasi wala talaga ako magawa sa araw na ito and then just playing with myself. Smile. But that's not the last thing. Of course, for sure, we will never and never super for us. Yeah. That's alright lang guys kasi ito kasi this is lip balm. This is for the glossy part. So yes, I always double it. Alright, now for 20 minutes we have already done our finished product. I don't really know where to watch because of course, it's kind of terrifying, but for sure this is really gonna help. Okay, so now we'll fix. So honest reaction guys, this is how I really look right now. It's kind of, I look like a doll, of course. Yes. How do I look? Am I pretty ugly? Or I'm just absolutely pretty good. Okay, so here. Honestly guys, my tummy is like a belly for 9 months. I'm really full of water. It's bye. 안녕하세요. 아비사람의